Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Shotcut video editor for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Shotcut video editor for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Shotcut, since that's where we will download the app. So just search for shotcut.org on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're on the official website of Shotcut, let me now show you how you can download the app here. So to do that, first, I want you to click this download tab right here. And after clicking it, you will now be directed to the downloading page of the app. So here at the downloading page, you will now be able to see the different download options for Shotcut. There will be a label at the top to show what Windows version is the download button designated to. So just select an option depending on your Windows version. In my case, I'm using a Windows 11 laptop, so this is the version I will select. And after clicking the download button, your Shotcut installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So here on the installation setup, you just need to click the next button repeatedly until you reach this page. And here on this page, although this is optional, but you can choose to check or enable this desktop shortcut option so that when your Shotcut app was installed, it will automatically be added to your desktop home screen. This will make the app more easier to open or access in the future. And now that you've enabled it, just click the next button once again. And then finally, for the last step, you can now click the install button to start the final installation process of the app. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, your Shotcut app will now be installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it to edit your videos. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.